Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel once again, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to gain weight fast, gain weight in a very healthy and clean way. And if you are just new to this channel, you're welcome. This channel will talk about health, beauty and fertility tips, so you can subscribe, click the notification bell so you can receive the notifications for every single video we'll be posting here. Stay tuned. Body weight depends on your gender, your age and your height, so it could also be influenced by genetics. And generally, being underweight or overweight cannot be measured ordinarily except with the use of the basic metabolic index. There are several reasons that can influence and make someone underweight, like excessive fasting, stress, not eating, skipping meals, excessive physical activity, genetic factors. I tell you, if it's in your genes not to get fat, you will be slim. The only thing is that you just look healthy as you take good care of yourself, but you might not just add too much weight like you would expect. The lack of proper sleep causes a person to be underweight. Then excessive physical activity, when you are straining yourself too much, it can cause a person to be underweight. Having a weak digestive system, that's when a person has issues with guts, with his or her guts, it can lead to being underweight. Hormonal imbalance can lead to being underweight. Being underweight can contribute to some health conditions like infertility, bone loss, heart problems, anemia, weak immune system. You are as healthy as your immune system. When a person's immune system is weak, the person will be susceptible to different kinds of infections and will be frequently ill. So these are things that being underweight can cause or lead to. There are some medicines that can aid a person to gain weight, but I would rather you go the natural way, gain weight naturally by eating specific kinds of food and avoiding specific kinds of food in order to gain weight. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make use of potatoes to gain weight. There are different recipes you can use to gain weight, but we're going to be looking at potatoes, how you can make use of potatoes to add weight. So stay tuned. So this is our potato washed now. I'm going to peel this and cut it into slices. Then we'll boil it for about 10 minutes. I've added some water to the potatoes, so we'll be boiling it for some minutes, for about 10 minutes. So here's our boiled potato. I'll be putting it in here so we can blend it. I'll pour it all in here with the water I used to cook the potato. Then blend now. So here is our blended potato. Mine was a bit thick, so I added a little more water to it. I'll be pouring it into the cup. We're adding 2 spoons of milk to it. Our second spoon of milk. Then stir. When I first started making this, I was putting too much milk, so you might want to limit the spoons of your milk to just 2. I was putting too much milk and I discovered that I started bleeding. So for some people, you might not be able to tolerate lactose. You can use coconut milk. You can use almond milk or any nut milk. Tiger nut milk will be very fine. And then you can add honey, but I'll be taking mine like this with no other thing added to it. So welcome back. You can see that the texture of the potato and the milk comes out so creamy. It's more like yogurt and the taste is so nice. But you can add dates to yours or dry fruit. You can add raisins to yours to make it sweet and to add to the calorie intake as you take the drink. So thank you very much for staying with me and watching this video. If you have gained anything from the video, like the video, subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you can receive notifications for subsequent videos we'll be posting. Till next video. Love you. Bye.